Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to get those beautiful liquid glass icon on your iPhone. It's simple, it's free, and you can do everything right from your iPhone. First you need to download the icon pack, open Safari and search for liquid glass icon pack iPhone PNG. Choose any website that offer free PNG icon. Download the icon you like and they will save directly to your photos or file app. Now open the shortcut app on your iPhone. If you don't have it, download it from App Store. This is where you will create custom app icon. Tap the plus button on the top, tap add action, then search for app open and select it. Now tap app and choose the app you want to change the icon for, like Instagram or YouTube. Now tap the three dot on the top right, tap add home screen. You will see the default icon. Tap it, choose photo like your liquid glass icon. Adjust the crop if you need it and tap add. Now repeat the same step for all the app you want to customize. Yes, it will take a little time, but the final look will totally worth it. You will end up with beautiful shiny glass like icon on your home screen. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next one.